The fans take their seats. The ref is moments away from starting the game. Now let's look at the away team. Well, the players can't complain about the atmosphere. It is absolutely buzzing here. Next 90 minutes should be captivating. Bruno Fernandes. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. What a ball. Cancelo. The assistant points his flag. It's a corner kick. Whipped in with pace. Gets the header in. Back off the bar. Oh, this could be costly. This is Bale. And that's a throw-in. Oh, quality defending there. Good distribution. And here's a chance. And Danovic saves. Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. He's put some power behind it. Gets the header in. That's an easy call. It's a goal kick. The replay will give us a closer look. The referee calls playback for an offside. Now it's Griezmann. Good ball. Great understanding between this team. Confident pass. Now it's Griezmann. Bruno Fernandes with the shot. Not the best effort there. That's unlike him. Normally he finds a net from there. Keeper sends it long. Oh, that's good work by the defence. Just offside. Messi shoots. And that's well wide. Let's see that one again. And it's cleared by Varane. Oh, and dispossessed there. And we're entering stoppage time now. And with the defender now. There's the half-time whistle. It wasn't a great opening 45 minutes, but we've got the second half and still plenty to play for. A single change has been made. Will it have an effect? It's 0-0. We'll rule that change in the second half. Oh, that's great determination. They've taken it down the wing. And he stayed onside. That's a crack. What a finish. Oh, what a stunning goal here as he finds the back of the net with ease. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. That goal has changed the shape of the game. Let's see what happens now. That's good link-up play. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. Great dribbling. Here's the shot, and they've equalised. Oh, pick that one out. Rocketed into the top corner. Let's take a closer look at that goal now. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? That's nicely played. Sends it long. Lovely pass. And Danovic collects the ball. Well cut out. Now it's Pogba. Good ball. to this match, though. This is Hazard. Gets the shot in. And Donovan saves. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. I wouldn't be at all surprised if he gets the man of the match award. And that's into the box. Heads towards goal. They've done it. They've drawn level. This player really is exceptional in the air. There's no surprise there. The ball ended up firmly in the back of the net. Well, let's take another look at that. Oh, it's 2-2 now. Sterling, long ball then. It's tight, but a good call by the referee's assistant. Lovely passing here. Alba makes the clearance. And we're into stoppage time now. Sends it forward. And they get it away. Buffon's got it. That's full time, and we're all square onto extra time and possibly penalties. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. Off we go again then for another 30 minutes of extra time. Ibrahimovic. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. It could be a chance here. Here's Rashford. The replay will give us a closer look. Whipped in. Goalkeeper's ball. Well taken. Keeper opts to throw this one out. Ibrahimovic. Let's have another look. How out of character. He normally buries those. Keeper plays it short there. Good distribution. Hoisted upfield now. To the beat of my own heart. 15 minutes left to avoid the dreaded penalty shootout. It's Son. This is Rashford. Janovic collects the ball. Oh, well intercepted. That's good link-up play. Oh, he's onside here. Here's Rashford. Lovely finish, and surely that's what it was. And this is a world-class finish. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. Well, they've taken the lead, and I wonder now whether that will give them some momentum for another goal. He loves to go past players. Great chance here. Shoots. One outcome really. As soon as the player shot, you knew he was heading straight in. Oh, we need to see that goal again.